families are hurting. Every community is affected because bread is a very important part of our food system in Gambia. But we need to understand one thing, and that is very important to understand because this issue of bread price increase is being over-politicized and over-exaggerated by critics from different areas. It is not a reflection of mismanagement of our economy. We must understand that the Gambia is fundamentally an import-driven economy. Almost everything that we consume here, consumer prices, everything we consume comes from another country. We are fundamentally influenced by external price. For example, bread, what goes into bread is wheat. There is a global tension at the moment. There is Iran, there's Iran and Israel happening. There is the Russia and Ukraine war. And flour. Flour is a very important aspect of all these things. So when global prices go up, flour in particular, which is not produced in this country, it is bound to affect bread prices all over the world. It's not just the Gambia. There is an increase of bread prices all over the world. It's a miracle that for all these years, since the Ukraine-Russia war started, we have struggled to maintain stability in this sector. So it is not about government mismanagement of the economy. It is about what is happening around the world. Flour is important. It is not produced in the Gambia. And we need to import this. So therefore, the changes in international market prices is going to adversely impact what happens in the country. So it is not about the government. This is about international trade. We need to understand that now. Bread prices will go up because the price of wheat has gone up in the global market due to tensions, due to all this. And secondly, Gambia government does not control what happens with global market price. Gambia government does not control global shipping prices. Gambia government does not control what happens to the forest market internationally. All these things are very vital economic factors that influence international price, which have direct impact on our local price. So we need to understand that. And I'm affected too. My family members are affected all over the country. I have friends, I have neighbors who are affected. We are all affected by this. But this is an international problem. And we must not politicize in order to score cheap political points. Let us be realistic and be truthful on some of these issues. It is not about the government's management economy. It is about global market price. That is the whole issue.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I just want to make this short live Facebook because I'm at work. I think many of you would have seen this video of my Fati. I don't know why they are calling him Honorable. I am vindicated again. I swear, some of my friends who knows me from 2016, we used to discuss about politics when Mai was a state minister. I told those people that this man has no credibility. So many people were saying, oh, Mai is one of the best interior minister. I said, this one is the worst interior minister. He said, but Musa is doing fine. I said, okay, time will tell. I am telling you, read the lips of this man. You think he's a serious guy? He's a hungry person. But today, that of my friend used to tell me, oh, Musa, I'm surprised about Mai. I said, I am not surprised. I've been telling you. So, in the actual sense is that we all know life in Gambia is very hard. Mai is a hustler. Mai is struggling. Who can tell me, since you heard of Mai Fati was defending Baba Job, and how does that even come for Mai to defend Baba Job? Who have ever seen Mai Fati representing a client at the court? And he said he's a lawyer. So where will he get the money? Hunger is enslaving this man now. That's why Barrow twisted his hand. He have to join Barrow and be a press singer to Barrow. We have another Ismaila Ceesay and the Modu Sabali. Modu Sabali, Ismaila Ceesay, and Mai Fati. Mai is coming to defend that the global market, flour and wheat is going up. I am telling you, this country that I am living, the price of flour doesn't go up. The price of bread doesn't go up. This country that Me, I am leaving. Solo Fati, you are currently in Germany. What is the price of the bread there? It's the same. What you bought the bread for the past 6 months is the same price that is happening in this country. So Mai is saying that bread price has increased globally in the world. Where? Senegal has just reduced the price of bread. Senegal. Is Senegal not part of the world? Our closest neighbor is Senegal. So Mai Fati is a clown. And you see, this kind of people is an angry man. Because yesterday, I will thank Tombong Sedi again for doing a smart job and a patriotic job. He is a patriotic citizen doing the job what Gambians wanted to see. That's why, what is his name again? Tombong Sedi, yesterday he wrote about, Solo Haneko. Tombong Sedi wrote and then was elaborating on the corruption of the Gambia government and then why the bread price was increasing. The poor people are there suffering now. This is why Mai Fati came out to defend undefendable issue. Mai inyantake hakilo tu baki iteman credibility soto iman ethics soto nte me bata ka ofo molie nkoy may biring anata nyimbankum fango kan Gambia kabe loya ya kela yala kaytol be mutale folo ko foni ya kiskisi ro nata kela nak yabula pra ay register at the bar bari jumal nene mayde mo koy ko mayle katante represent kon ko le be mayla so bi ni adama ya te bulo toromondo nga ala ko to be ibinala le denkilo la ni ko ila e nyiki bay be walla bi maylo mu ikwatelo mu coordinator di about Barrow's Grand Coalition CDC wala mu CDC ala do ko le bula to take up as the muna atelo mu NPP la muntifa is it CDC muna atelo mu NPP la munti is he on the salary? Of course, because ala do ko le bula. So CDC is being paid. How? Ekajo kodo minante ofo nola. Ngalon ko at bola central government. But ngalon ko NPP is one of the richest admin secretary. Thank you. CDC is the admin secretary at NPP. Ngalon ko ekajo. Mafu ekajo from the central government. But NPP akakodo soto jel. NPP ka kodo bondi mundol. Gambia mbe mera batar nede. Mai Fati fana influenta jumped. Sa atelo muila Grand Coalition la coordinator because Baroka he can title le di doro just to get them. So my felente afintana for my long government as spokesperson. For my long government as spokesperson. Alpha only mira 1 + 1 doro mune atina mai be fintilana abe fintilana kaka naka government ne defend on this. Mai Fati al nyante ke mira. Mai Fati nyin do ba dol le bulate no may bulo ko si hani man credibility soto nyaonya bari yewol dol disifle because he nango diata wol ya mutako nyin is the deal bari meta nyin fola ko na bobe abe jamani ala nyin ka kabrin 2016 maybe interior minister yala nkai ko this man nkai ko nyine futa barola minister bedi nkai ko he is fake. Whatever he is doing, he is fake. He's not a realistic man. Wallahi wo watu hani UDP mo jamale ka kam fankam hani UDP mo jamale ka kam fankam nimil bebe coalition ko ni nga fo mole nobody is taking it seriously, but I believe for now many people will see the right color of Barrow. Mai Fati he cannot be happy. Yajele bile nil inila consent is fighting. billahi ni tata yele la bungol kono ifangol ka folo ko bari mune bente bulaka nyinna. I think seni maro nene ka maila nka maila kumo foile no nko ko my fati man believe fenna dunia kono na manke na fuloti jumalle ka my fati sponsor no adoma la na badi ngol minuli alon ko be nun jamani solo fati ibe balin fo my fati birabe minister yala bukana balin akana munela num balin. My was even kind of doing transportation. Aka kodo transport no from Germany to Gambia. Awo doma ya se ndile. Mi ya fango jolom bunjango sando. Ngo, my fati man credibility soto meta nyimfola molele. But imagine. Ako globally, bread price has been increased. Ngo intebe nyimbanku minka. Bread price man lafa, and flour la price man lafa. I don't know, this man, mune atina, ite balafala Gambia nkoli. Wala na ntel nga nyok ngo tayde. Ntel UDP nkol, ala nga nyok ngo tay, nga jawya muta nyok kama, nkana constructive thinking ke, puru nga nyimbanko faling. Nalia miracle, kap falindiro ke, wole ba tinandla, nko, billahi wallahi tallahi, alay annabiyo mu jelle soto. When we think that time is there to change our leadership, nyantana leadership, falinale nga jube mbe kato di leadership UDP bebe kambe na jumala nga nying Adama Barrow bondi. Billahi nima Adama Barrow bondi. Nte ofola mweja. Alimbe nga mfanke janko ha, ntelu ni ba usenu mantara balurin bebe falale. Alimbe nga belief wala. Mote Gambia mimba folo ko itele loyal ta ba usenu tikatambintele. But when it is time puruka jube ko, nike baka alafte fonyola. Nta forcela nikke ba ka lafte forcela alinga jubembe jumale londi la to kick out these criminals from the government nka kumale fal billahi nga Gambia jabita ka nyamin nga Gambia jakata nyamin alinga singa jube mbenga lonne mbe sondo moko no munebije alinga konnante ya bulanda mawltem if it is Yankuba Dabo, let us put Yankuba Dabo there. If it is Talib, let us put Talib there. If it is Lamin Sane, let us put Lamin Sane there. Ni atra ko ba useni ya feel ka lafte fonyola andum mbe kuma kiline folale this Barrow government mune ilafitale drum puru ntelinga jube ko mbe ba useni le londila inim ba useni ta idalta minna yake molula andu wallahi billahi tallahi alinga ta nga jube ni mole nyimfal ka foko ha karifana mala fi ba useni na karibe karla kample ni momo ya fonte ibente tarla janne ninta nyanta tarla momo fasala mbelola le outright ngafo mbelola le outright ngafo alinga try nga nyimbanko faling nimbe baw senu tambindila banko be alinga kata nimmo be la nyokan nga banko nga ba usenu tambindi nga banko bondi ni atra dum fanan ko nga fil ko nyanta ka falindirol nga constructive falindiroke nga lonko nyinde ni nga falindiroke mimbe ganyela ala drone wolo bari nyin criminal wol nyanta talale at all mean mbe kuko kala nga ke hormone bunya kono motinala yafoko ibe mol la kolu hijack la nte sonnala mol minulu fanal yalon kal mantara UDP altentel la leader fono la ntelentel nyanta jumale tala alte fono la molede nyanta ka jumale taka ken na leader alte fono la molye UDP le ba jubele be jumale tambindila so ikanyimi be foko internal fight le be UDP. There is no internal fight. The internal democracy wole be tamakan andu wanyantale ngale may fati ngale amoyla ako ni UDP e bankota atebita exile ay muneke imagine sa fintita nan abe akumasta ka deceiving wala na UDP ko la nga ke kilente wallahi alnga na different solu landi alnga ni camp ko fo alnga stop kafo. There is no camp, there is only one UDP. There is no camp. Alnga ni mentality bula hay ba fola ko ha munatina kari abukadiamu kari woliye atelenyanta kawol condemn atelenyanta ko politiko manke wotide ate sem min fono ni ya tara ko alka fol ko talib nyanta la mol condemn la for example minulu ya lon ko ka fasa ko wol ka talib la ko le push talib sem min keno wolo nyinti ko alnga kambe be nga ke kilenti we move on lafta minna fanante o kala he's a politician, he cannot come and then attack his people. I feel communally alongo they love him and then they really wanted him to be their leader atinala I all harass likewise Yankuba, likewise Lamin Sane, likewise any other person me along lafta kage flag biarati in UDP. Let us think alanga mira alanga nying yo konante abula bankola situation alanga jube alanga trying to understand what kind of politicians wolle bentel bulu nim mistake ta ndafala moy may fati wo bala tulo nin subo do mo kanede because albe alon NPP parti jumale be Africa kono bim alba fala ko merita NPP imagine ni alla silol do ko ale ko price o mu ñineti silol be hayna bi sila dol be je ngamela sambi be kulung la fawta la ko silol ka cross corruption o jube ba justice department ngamere mo sabale mutaje ko 14 million ye wole ta ka receipt kalantangol dadaro $14 million fale amra wol mo sabo da malo ali amra mo sabo da malo foi ma internal audit sotoje ila administration o be nyaadi fale amra ko kodo ka fenke wala nyama hanila kunu kumbal mil bebe Ministry of Justice dabi jel bari maje ye bail of 16 million iko bail fongo juwale o 16 million ojo al ngen nyalu yele nga kata fale no ke nyim banku kan ni fale manke nyim banku kan be nyim may fati wol si fa jamal sotla because muno Gambia man any social help buka soto ni mantra do ko la Gambia man sakunda buke mako e fenna nothing absolutely man sakunda buke mako te may na la family lo so may mobi alo gadi isan songa korta ka soto sai ni o nata ko ka be sudiarin president la fo president ka fay ko ndela party wa ni coalition o be sai itolom coordinator yalo sai wo he is close to the president I access soto to the president aliya mutako munanna momi ngamire ko bob keta jang adama baro ya so $10,000 sai may min be den kilo la kan ala ya mi ko aba sola jelle la aliya mi ko sai may be kar mu ne pipeline lan la ka foko NPP nyanta ñin ne kala andu ni may yewo fo recommendation la binala ko do be disemboss la akodo be bola mun dole ali amira ko may te fezo ngamira may muna balde nene biri yake no women mobilize ala fatala tola banko be ka may muna balde mam budget o safetu adama baroko ala fatala tola 800,000 si aka jara nin dusano wolu foi manta ye o inflate ya kije $1.8 million so pour 1 million o te leota 800,000 o di maymuna la because maymuna e wala kala budget auto so ali amira ko munan na may fanante o keno ngol ko barola ni man sakunda muskam man sakunda lete imam mundu sabal fanange aya fon nakindi jumalla Amadou Sane wala na nabita dawda aka Amadou Kay so faced aka Amadou Kay so faced it's a way of tapping money anga bala fa na banko moli mburu kun killing $12 family dol be ja futa nyaonya every day ni da sa molom ebe mburu kun lulu do mola mburu kun tang is $120 mburu kun tang Nia for ta mono min wala ta sato dom no people would like to drink tea ebe la fala le fanale tea min yemburo ni fendomo yemburo ni nyebel ni mburo ni liver ni mburo ni 6 kilo ni mburo ni popiterol and other things ya dom so ni my fati kalo ako globally yemburo dala fa it's not true the hunger is dealing with my fati konko le bala is broke per Gambia wala na I doubt ngo ndemalon ndemalo fonni mo nyanta dennale bang nga nyinin ka ngata kitiola pour ya stop ka nyilu commande honorable la ye honorable title of aboninte la ko kono ya bondi je. Can we go to because people who are legally minded ali mako ba niata ko mo senyin keno because we are calling some people honorable is a very big respectful word. But they call it, people are calling my father honorable. People are calling Mamadou Sabali honorable. People are calling Ismaila Cisse honorable. People are go. Those are no they are calling all of them honorable. Ahmad Ba is honorable. Je ngabra ablay sanyam sani ablay job. Minuli alonko ini criminal ole do ko ke jan sign. Are they not calling them honorable? Bayro nge kondom. Billahi. Ngo. UDP, let us put our house in order. Anga ke kilindi. Anga konnante ya bulanda mawol tema. Nyimbanko molla hakole be molla. Wala ale bawsen na diamu moyle. Ninke balu ilotale kanyimbanko fasa. Anga nyina ko ndemu UDP nkoredi bari ni sana keta presidenti ndete palace sotola. So nte believe ta minna do wona nyindi ko bawsene taraje ni bawsene bejede en se palaso sotonole ngo ni bawsene nata president yala bawsene manta UDP ko dama tala bawsene is going to work with competent Gambians alinga wo bula ni yankuba dabo nata yankuba tente tala do ko la so ite kata min conventional milk ite kila do contributional milk you want to get it back ni monata man sakunda min bete tala do ko wala ka foko malla karila baro min ke mol go ni be ko ngania city like a positive ngania city role ke baro jumale baro man betea alko baro man betea baro e jamfale sai baro ni jumale jamfake baro ni jumale jamfake alkal malla minulla alba fala ko malla nyinulla inin kari wolle binala ye ke teriti yenna patio hijacking bulu wala yenna kosni hijacking bulu baro ni la min cham alkal konte Lusano, Fabu Sane, Maimuna Sise Dabo, Ise Conti, Ye Conti, what dipita all be, Ibemu Munete, being alone, because they don't forget Musalo, Nalon was Sana Lol, Musa Fulo Jamfa Mole, Sano Yalom wood, Saram Yalo, intended, Mafode. It could be UDP se more keno leadership man believe me na. I change my course. I never say never. Intended ta kola ko fombe bola UDP, fonte bola UDP, but principle. I am there on principle and I will go from there with principle. Niatra kombe bola je. Nimbe stela je with principle. Nimbe bola je with principle. Yes. So, and niyaje ngale ko billahi wallahi tallahi ni ko ka leadership chika ndela ba chikala billahi Gambia be iko ndela ba chikala kadi mola mba chikala mbadi la ba Usenu Dabo la. You know why? Because we believe tako ba Usenu Dabo would not be corrupt and do nanata abe rule of law about make sure like transformation in our government system. About make sure that fanang yenna policy falling about make sure that loi kendo itara banko kan for reform wege ngalonko believe tawla andu ngalonko nata state house ba Usenu ba make sure that president fangola joni ni allowance for ngole tala andu ba Usenu ba make sure that ministry position ole tala so ntelata ba Usenu la and I can vow for ba Usenu. Bari ninga feel ko political tension of nyami nga understand be ngata sate ol kono ngalamoy UDP ka o UDP ka ngalon ne ko ni nga baw sen londi o UDP ko bebe carte o faylal so otali ngata mol no ma mil man tara UDP bang ma wol fana la view la moy whether we need them nga momo londi UDP dingul wol be carte o fayla wele mbengo londi nga momo londi UDP so ala baraka baki ngal tentu ngal jay lafta ni ne folale ko be may fatila on gratefulness ala baraka thank you